everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Hello, Alex and the A-Team. So I would love to know your views on the ego. If we do not have it in 5D and above, why is it here in 3D? Did the Creator put this in us, or maybe something else put it in us? I find it holds us back lots in our life. All my love to you and the team for all you do, Ian.
I was hoping for a softball. That's not what I got. The ego. The ego is a self-construct. It's an alternate construct that the body and the mind create. Now, the difference between us and those in 5D, where there is self-awareness in 5D. However, their self-awareness is completely attached to their awareness of their soul. So there is much more awareness of soul, and the fact that everything that they do, everything that they are, everything that they act, everything that they eat, everything that is everything about their existence comes from a spiritual place, from a place of communion with all that is, with Source, Creator, Great Spirit. That awareness, it's like when you get to fifth density, we're all saints. Okay? We're all saints. Jedis. Holy men, holy women. That's what it's like there. And it's not boring. I mean, they're living their life and they have joy and they laugh. They create music. They do all the things that we do. But their intentions is focused on the fact that they are at all times part of a much larger expression. Down here, it's like we get thrown into the basement and they throw away the key. What it feels like. And so in order to survive, the body creates the ego, because that's its survival mechanism. Because for some reason, when we come in here, and I think a lot of this had to do with the fact that we don't remember our lifetimes. It's like every new lifetime, when we were caught in the reincarnational cycle, every lifetime we would come in, we'd have to start all over. Which means you'd have to relearn how to ride a bike, you'd have to relearn how to swim, how to bite your nails, how to cook, how to boil water. Every lifetime you'd have to relearn to do all that stuff. As opposed to not having to do that because you remember previous lifetimes and you could just step in and go. I think the ego is a result of being detached from soul, from source. And then the religions were created to reinforce the fact that we felt like we were detached from soul, because they would create all these creeds. You know, you're a sinner. You were born with sin. You're not worthy. You have to confess all of your mistakes to us, and we will tell you whether or not you can get to heaven. Or you could give me a bag of gold and you can buy your way into heaven, and I will bless you so that you can get to heaven. And heaven, of course, is this mythical place that they created for us, when in fact, heaven in its own way does exist, but it's the universe. Okay, it's the entire universe. I think what happens is that when people lose a sense of soul, the ego takes over, and it becomes very, very efficient at survival and figuring it out, the game, and working the game. And when that happens, ego will more than likely take everyone out of integrity. And things happen. A lot of poor decisions are made, which is where experience comes from poor decisions, right? And some people just become complete assholes. And I think that's a definition that we will take with us into fourth and fifth density, is the definition of asshole. It doesn't mean we'll be assholes there, but we will always remember assholes, because there's definitely their fair share of them here on this planet. And it's a defense mechanism. I'm fully convinced that that's what it is. It's a survival defense mechanism. And we fall into that place where we believe that's who we are. But we'll see what happens with Ascension. I think we'll see all that fall away. I think we'll see ego fall away. As we get closer to the Ascension, people will begin to realize, they'll wake up. They'll come to terms with the fact that they've been played. Everybody has been played in one way or another. We could talk that one to death, right?
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.